Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen Amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to start the lesson number 4, and there is not any name of lesson 4, but you can call this name like Kribu South letters. Kribu South letters mean sound somewhat similar, like somewhat similar sound letters, like these letters. These are Kribu South letters, and they are 16. And we will read this lesson without spell. Read this lesson Rama. Rama mean without spelling. You don't need to read this lesson like ta zabarta, ta zerti, ta peshtu. This is spelling condition, but you will read without spelling like ta, ti, tu. The lesson 4 is like lesson 3, but we will make difference in between Kribu South letters. Okay, ta is thin voice, ta has a thick voice, ta is read in thick voice, and ta is read in thin voice. But when you will read the ta in thin voice, then ta will be changed into ta. So you won't be able to recognize which letter are you reading, ta and ta. Your sound uh, your sound will make difference in between ta and ta. So same za and dal. This is dal and this is dal. Za is read with hard voice, high sound with whistle, but dal is soft voice. za za. Okay, this is dal, so soft voice. This different. So this is sa, this is lo, and sa. Sin is thin letter. Okay, sin is read in thin voice, but sod is read in thick voice. So you have to read the sod in thick voice, otherwise you won't read this letter in like correctly. So that's why if you want to read the sod correct, then you will have to read this letter in thick voice. Same dal, dod. Dal is read in thin voice, dod is read in thick voice. So you have to make difference in between these letters for reading in correct pronunciation. Now we are going to start. So repeat after me. Ta, ti, tu, to, ti, tu. Read in thick voice. Listen again, and after that repeat after me. To, ti, tu. This letter za. Za is read with whistle high sound. Za, zi, zu. Za, zi, zu. But zal is read with soft voice. La, ri, ru. Za, ri, ru. Next letter is law. Law is musta'aliya letter and read in thick voice. Law, ri, ru. Don't read like zo, zi, zu. Make read like one by one separately. Law, ri, ru. Sa, si, su. Don't read this letter sa, si, su. Don't read this letter with whistle. This letter is read without whistle. Sa. Okay, don't say sa. Sin has a whistle. Sod has a whistle, but sa doesn't have. Sa, si, su. Sin is read with whistle. You have to pronounce this letter with whistle. Like whistle is special for this letter. Sa. Without whistle, this letter can't be pronounced. Sa, si, su. Again, sa, si, su. Next letter is sod and read in thick voice. Saw. This is sa, seen. Sod, saw. When you will read this letter in thick voice, okay, then like difference will be made in between seen and sod. Saw, see, su. Saw, see, su. The thin voice. Dal is like dal is read in thin voice, but dod in thick voice. The, the, do, the, the, do. Next is dod and read in thick voice. Do, not the. The, da is dal sound. Do is dod sound. Do, the, do. Do, the, do. Next one, calf, cough. Okay, cough is read with thick voice. Calf is read in thin voice. So ka, calf sound. Ko, cough sound. So this is ka, ki, ku. Again, ka, ki, ku. Ko, kui, ku. Ko, kui, ku. Next is ha. This ha is pronounced from bottom part of throat like deeply. Ha. This is ha. This ha is pronounced from middle part of your throat like ha sound. Some people pronounce both letter with same sound. So that's not correct way for reading these letters. Make difference. Read this letter ha. Open your mouth and pronounce directly from your chest. This voice will become from your chest, from your chest, ha, like this. Okay, bottom part of your throat, ha, he, who, like this. Repeat again, ha, he, who. Again, ha, he, who. Next letter is ha. Ha. We can't read this letter like ha. This is ha, and it will be pronounced from middle part of your throat. Ha, he, who. Again, ha, he, who. Next is hamza. Some people pronounce the hamza and ain with same sound. So no, we shouldn't read hamza and ain with same sound. We will make difference in between hamza and ain. So repeat after me. A, e, o. A, e, o. So this is ain, and we will read these letters one by one separately. This letter is little difficult. Like a, don't read a. This is ain. A, pronounced from middle part of your throat. A, re, ru. Now repeat after me one by one. A, again. A, re, again. Re, ru, who. So these are two letters like kha and ghain. These are similar sound letters. So we will make difference. Kha, khi, hu. Mustali letter. Kha is mustali letter. So read in thick voice. Ghain is mustali letter, and we will read in thick voice. Kha, khi, hu. Repeat again. Kha, khi, hu. Gha, ghi, ghu. Gha, ghi, ghu. Next letters are common letters. So there is not any specific letters. So ba, bi, bu, ma, mi, mu, wa, wi, wu, fa, fi, fu, la, li, lu, na, ni, nu, ra, ri, ru. Ra is not Mustali letter, but we read this letter in thick voice because you have learned in lesson 3 when Zaba and Pesh will become top of the Ra, then Ra will be pronounced in thick voice. So that's why we read this letter in thick voice. Ra, Ri, Ru. Ja, Ji, Ju. Sha, Shi, Shu. Ja, Ji, Ju. And lesson 4 has been completed. Tomorrow inshallah azawajal lesson 5 will be uploaded inshallah azawajal. Remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.